a 3-bedroom house, a 4-door car, and a 6-year-old child. Singular adjectives with hyphens. American English in Minutes, lesson number 46. Why isn't it plural? If the house has 3 bedrooms, why isn't it a 3-bedrooms house? When we use numbers as part of the adjective, we use the singular form. Many people live in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. A person might have a 6-year-old daughter and an 8-year-old son. The daughter is 6 years old and her brother is 8 years old. Notice the hyphens, also called dashes. We normally say a word is hyphenated if it contains a dash. Let's try it both ways. This car has 2 doors. It is a 2-door. It's a 2-door car. His apartment has 2 bedrooms. It is a 2-bedroom apartment. This large house has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. It is a large 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. With house plans, many people neglect the hyphens. A half bath has only 2 of 4 things: a toilet, sink, bathtub, and/or shower. Normally, a half bath means a toilet and sink. A 3/4 bath includes the shower. A full bath has all 4. Again with ages. The man is 32. He is 32 years old. He is a 32-year-old man. When a number is under 100, we are supposed to spell it out, but not everyone does. She is 23 years old. She is a 23-year-old woman. We also use old or olds as a noun. For example, the young couple have a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old, meaning they have a child of each age. College campuses have thousands of 19-year-olds walking around, meaning people who are 19 years of age. Car and bike talk. With most cars, it is either a 2-door or a 4-door. We often drop the word car. Some cars have 4-wheel drive, not 4 wheels drive. A bicycle or motorcycle is a 2-wheeler. Sometimes we say a 2-wheeled vehicle. An 8-horsepower engine is unhyphenated, probably because horse and power have already become a compound word. Do natives make mistakes? You might hear a person say a 5-year-old child. But that's wrong. You will never hear a native English speaker say a 3-bedrooms house. But for some reason, you do sometimes hear people make the mistake with years. The other native speaker error is a 6'2" man. At this point, maybe only the United States has retained the English imperial measurement system, using feet, miles, gallons, and acres, and using Fahrenheit rather than Celsius. The plural of foot is feet, but because this is an adjective, it follows the same rule as a 2-door car, and it is correctly a 6'2" man. Notice we don't say a 6'2" man, but if we did, it would be 2" and not 2 inches. We drop the hyphens if we say he is 6'2", but often add one to say he is 6'2". Without spelling it, we write 6'2", pronounced 6'2". All together in one story. The 26-year-old man and his 49-year-old father live together in a 30-year-old 2-bedroom house. The man is 5'9", while his father towers over him at 6'3". They have a 5-year-old dog. The young man drives a 2-door, but his father drives a 4-door sedan. The next-door neighbors have twin girls. The girls are 3 years old. The husband works full-time. His wife has a part-time job. She is always very busy, taking care of the 3-year-olds. 4-minute lessons. Many American English in Minutes videos offer 4-minute lessons. Some are 5 minutes. Whether you are looking for a 3-minute lesson or an 8-minute lesson, please have a look at the playlists on this channel. If this was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.